Welcome to our quick tutorial on how to change your WhatsApp language on PC. With the latest update, it's now easier than ever to customize your WhatsApp experience. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to switch your app's language. First things first, make sure you have the WhatsApp desktop app open on your computer. Take a look at the left side of the window, where you'll see a menu with various options. At the bottom of this menu, you'll spot the settings icon. It looks like a little gear. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll see several tabs at the top. We're looking for the General tab, so click on that. As you scroll down the General settings, you'll come across the Language option. This is where the magic happens. Click on the Language drop-down menu, and you'll be presented with a list of available languages. Take your time and scroll through until you find the language you want to use. Whether you're looking to practice a new language, or simply prefer using WhatsApp in your native tongue, you'll likely find what you need here. After you've selected your desired language, all that's left to do is confirm your choice. Click on the language you want, and WhatsApp will ask if you're sure about the change. Hit confirm, and voila! Your WhatsApp will instantly transform to display everything in your chosen language. It's worth noting that this change will only affect your WhatsApp desktop app. If you want to change the language on your mobile device as well, you'll need to do that separately through your phone's settings. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your WhatsApp language on PC. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your messaging experience. Whether you're multilingual or just curious about using WhatsApp in a different language, this feature is now at your fingertips. Remember, you can always switch back to your original language by following these same steps. Happy chatting in your language of choice.